We're going to go ahead and do a top operation here. Perfect. Now we're going to cycle it the other way now. And this piece back here is wrapped in PPF, so every time it makes contact with the soft top, it is fully protected. Okay? Perfect.